going on, guys? Welcome back. We're here for another episode on the Golf R, and today I've got some goodies to install on the car. So my good friends down at Integrated Engineering has sent us out a nice new cold air intake that we're going to be putting in today. And since they looked out for me, guys, I've got something for you as well. If you own a VW, Porsche or Audi, I've got a discount code for you that will give you 10% off. And that's on any item. And it doesn't matter how many times you order. So guys, get clicking and get yourself some parts. So in here we've got a turbo, In here we've got a turbo elbow. And this has been CNC'd out of cast alley. And if you guys don't know, this just allows more airflow to the turbo rather than stock. We're not running stock at the moment anyway, but this is a nice new replacement. Look at that. Shiny bits. Okay, the brackets are in there. In here we've got all the hoses, and look at that, we've got the hoses, we've got an aluminium bracket, and the most important of all, a filter. This filter has got a 5-inch diameter circumference. It's huge. That is massive. Compared to what's got on there now, I think we should do a comparison actually. We'll do a comparison when we get that one out and see which one's bigger. And guys, comment below, what would you go for, IE or racing line? Let me know in the comments. Wow, this thing is huge. So look guys, just to compare the racing line to the IE intake, that's the outlet on the IE and that's the outlet on the racing line. This is the old filter that we took out, and this is the new one that we're going to be putting in. So yeah, drop a comment guys, what would you pick, IE or R600 or racing line? So at the moment guys, we're having a bit of trouble with the sensor and the way that the mounting for the intake fits in, so we're going to have to Dremel this piece out just to make it fit around the sensor. So just a note for you guys, if you're going to get one of these, you might run into this problem if you've got the sensor sitting in the middle right there. But slowly but surely it's coming together for that filter. So what we've had to do is just file that bit down there just to get it fit around the sensor, and it's coming along real nice now. Shout out to G&R Motors, they've looked after me today, got the intake in, we're going to bed it in and we're going to run a sound test. So tell me in the comments what you think is better, the R600 or the IE intake. And guys, remember, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Till next time.